Hi kids, today I am going to narrate the story titled Cow It All, Lose All. I'll explain the title of the story at the end when I tell you the moral, okay? So now to start with the story, long ago in a village named Neem, 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 okay? In a village named Neem, there was a man named Mohan. Mohan was a farmer. After touring to some places, he returned to his village with a pouch of money in it. While walking on the road, he just dropped the pouch and he lost it. He lost his money pouch and he started worrying about it. If you lose your purse, you'll worry, right? The same way he was worrying about it. He asked for help from the villagers who were standing around him. All were kind hearted people, so they all joined together and started searching for it. At that time, another businessman who hailed from the same village came that way. His name was Suman. Suman was not only a wealthy man but also a generous man who wanted to help Mohan because he knew Mohan. Mohan was also from the same village, so he just wanted to help. While they searched, Suman thankfully got that pouch. Immediately, this honest man handed over that pouch to its owner. Who was its owner? Mohan. He handed it over to Mohan. Mohan got it from him saying thank you. That's good manners, correct, children? It is good to say thank you when you receive something from a person. He immediately opened the pouch and found 50 rupees in it. Then he claimed for another 50 rupees from Suman. Suman nodded and said, "What? I did not open the pouch, Mohan. Whatever I got, I just gave it to you. There is no necessity for me to take any money from your pouch." But Mohan didn't agree. In front of everyone, he called Suman a thief. "Suman, you're a thief, you're a liar. You have taken 50 rupees from my pouch. There was 100 rupees inside." He argued with Mohan. At that time, the village head, who was heading towards a temple on his bullock cart, stopped there to see what was the issue going on. On hearing the argument, he came closer and asked what the problem was. He wanted to sort it out for his villagers. Mohan explained everything to the village head. Then he told, "Let me see the pouch. Can you please give it to me?" he asked to Mohan. Mohan handed the pouch over to the village head. He saw the pouch on all its sides and told, "There are many pouches of this sort available in the market. Maybe your pouch is lost somewhere else and this is somebody else's pouch." Saying so, he handed it over back to Suman. He told Suman, "Suman, you were the one who found this pouch on the road. So you have it till the owner of this pouch comes asking for it." Mohan pulled a long face. He felt that he was losing something which he actually owns. Saying this, the village head moved away towards his cart along with Suman. As these two people stepped away, Mohan became cautious. He ran towards the village head and said, "Oh sir, no. This must be my pouch only. Maybe I spent that 50 rupees without my knowledge and I had forgotten it. So let me take it please," he asked. But the village head nodded his head. He said, "Maybe Mohan, you're wrong again. You're mistaken again. Why don't you give me an evidence to prove that this is your pouch so that you will get it now?" But Mohan said, No, I don't have an evidence." No, then again the village had turned his face away and walked away along with Suman. Again Mohan ran behind them. This time he literally snatched the pouch from Suman and he fell at the feet of the village head. He said, "Sir, I am sorry. Let me be frank with you now. At least now I'll tell you the truth." "Mohan, what are you saying?" asked the village head. Mohan said, "Sir, Suman is a wealthy man, a nice businessman. He is very generous. So I thought I can make use of his generosity and earn some money quickly. He is very rich and he can easily make wealth. But I am a poor farmer, so I thought that I can earn another 50 rupees just like that by making use of the opportunity. I understand that I was wrong," he said. The village head gave a lecture to make Mohan understand his mistake. He said that if he made use of such opportunities and took the situation to his advantage, villagers would not like to help him again in future. This might make him gain others' hatred. Mohan realized his mistake and he assured that he would not repeat that in future. So Mohan also apologized to Suman for having called him a liar and a thief. He decided not to offend anyone in his life again. So children, what do we learn from this story? We should not make use of situations to hurt or harm others and try to gain something out of it. That is really a very bad attitude, and we should always respect people who come forward to help us. In fact, we should thank them and try to be grateful to them. Good night. Have sweet dreams.